Hey Primary 5 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 3 of your assessment paper number 10 on volume. Now this question is actually something that you will normally see in any exam. Pretty simple stuff. A rectangular tank with a base of 120 cm squared is filled with water to a height of 9 cm. Okay, so let's imagine. Let's draw it out to make it easier for you. A base 120 filled with water to a height of 9 cm. After some marbles was placed in the tank, the water level raised to 9.25 cm. So imagine some marbles were being placed in the tank, so the water level raised to 0.25 cm. Now, if the volume of each marble is 5 cm squared, how many marbles were placed in the tank? So first off, breathe, relax. This is very simple stuff. Okay, so let me draw this out for you. Okay, so this is our rectangular tank. Wow, I've actually gotten better at this. Awesome. Oh, not really. Okay, so this is the rectangular tank. And it says that it's filled with water till the 9 cm mark. So I'm just going to draw an imaginary 9 cm mark, which is actually here. Okay, so this is the imaginary 9 cm mark. So imagine this is water, okay? I don't know why the water is red, okay, but never mind. So this is 9 cm, okay? And then what happened? Then what happened was, marbles were placed in the tank and the water level raised to 9.25. So I'm going to use a different color. I'm going to use black. So let's imagine some marbles being thrown in. I don't know how many lah. It's going to draw randomly. Okay, and then it raised to 9.25. Okay, we'll try and draw this as accurately as possible. So as you can see, there's a difference in the water level. It raised, it went up. Okay, so from here to here to 9.25. What was the base area? The base area just now we found out, they told us there was 120 cm squared. Okay. Now, let me ask you a question. What's the significance? What I mean is, what is the importance of the height and the base area? Remember this formula? Volume is equals to length times breadth times height. So how do we know what's volume if we don't have the length and breadth and height? We have the height, we don't have length and breadth. But what we do have is what we call the base area. In this case, that is 120 cm squared. So volume actually equals the same as base area times height. Okay. So now that we know that, we can do the question. Okay, so let me ask you, what is the volume of water? What is the volume of the marbles? The volume of the marbles is actually base area times height. Okay, the height here, the difference is 9.25 minus 9. Correct now? So that it will give me 0.25. That's the difference in the water height when the marbles were being thrown in. Now, how do I find the volume of the marbles? I simply times the base area times the height. So 120 multiplied by 0.25. So that means 1/4 of 120 will give me 30 cm squared. Now they said that each marble was 5 cm squared. Am I right? Yeah. So how many marbles were placed in the tank? Very simple. 30 divided by 5 will give you 6 marbles were being put in the tank. So that's it. If you got that one right, high five to you because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Okay, and that brings me to the quote of the week. And the quote of the week is, if you really want to get it, you just have to repeat it. Volume equals to base area times height. Simple as that. Height is equals to volume divided by base area. Very simple. Volume is equals to length times breadth and height. Repeat this over and over again and you will get it. It's so simple. And by the time exam comes, it's just a repetition and you just repeat it over and over again. That's it. Alright, with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.